All right, this is cleaning out your basement part 2. This is responding to one of my viewers who I specifically asked to tell me specifically what she has in her basement. So that's part 1. Part 2, she says, oh my God, everything piled high, at least 6 feet on both sides with a small trail to the washer and dryer. This is actually extremely dangerous. This is a fire hazard. Clutter actually is one of the main causes of fire and why people can't get out when there's a fire. Simply because when let's just say that you have a space heater or a candle, things catch on fire, and then as the clutter catches on fire, it topples over and blocks the way for people to get out. So as soon as you can, please try to clear out as much as you can, because this truly is a safety hazard. With that said, give yourself permission every time you are in the basement to bring at least one thing, if not an entire laundry basket of stuff that you no longer want, upstairs, so that you can start to donate those things and move those things out of the house. Don't think that you have to do everything all at once. Actually, every single month, I personally host a virtual decluttering day. The next one is December 4th. I would love for you to be my guest for that decluttering day. Private message me or click the link in my bio and then select the virtual decluttering day. Join us. This is one of the things that makes a massive amount of difference, is when you have support versus when you don't. When you're doing it alone versus when you're doing it with a group. And our virtual decluttering day, we literally tackle one or more places in your home. And I would love to help you with your basement. So, as I mentioned, try to remove as much clutter as possible from the basement. Having those little pathways is very dangerous. So, the next thing, as I mentioned, grab a laundry bag. Well, every time you're in there doing laundry, you load the washer, and then fill that same basket up with stuff that you know that you're going to get rid of. Bring it up to your car. Bring your laundry basket back down. One basket at a time is going to make a huge difference. And like I said, every single month we have our virtual decluttering day. Join us. Click the link in my bio. I hope that this helps you. I hope that this serves you. And please keep your questions coming.